Hi, boys and girls. Let's get started right away with practicing our reading. We're going to start by doing our large letter sound cards. Okay, repeat after me. Y, yellow, y. X, fox, x. I, itch, if. W, win, w. Q, queen, qu. E, ed, eh. Great job. All right, let's look at what we're reading this week. The reading passage that we're reading this week is called The Map. Listen as I read the reading passage to you. Follow along while I read. The map. Chap sat on Dad's lap. Dad said, "First, we will take a nap. Then we will put on caps. Last, we will look at the map." "Okay," said Chap. "Naps, caps, then the map. What will be next?" "Then we will go," said Dad. All right, this time I want you to read along with me. The map. Chap sat on Dad's lap. Dad said, "First, we will take a nap. Then we will put on caps. Last, we will look at the map." "Okay," said Chap. "Naps, caps, then the map. What will be next?" "Then we will go," said Dad. Great job. I want you to put a check on the first square. Now, it's your turn to practice your reading. Go ahead and try to read the passage 2 more times all on your own. Take your time, sound out the words. I'll be around to check to see how you're doing. Be ready to read the passage to me. Great job!